one of our favorite times of the year. My dear friend Grace Derocha is here. She is the National Spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, a registered dietitian and a diabetes educator. She also happens to be a Spartan alum. And there might be a game coming up this week. And one thing is for certain, we are going to be eating well.
Yes.
We have a spread going on here. So no matter what happens with the game, we got some good stuff here. Talk about this. This is your kind of one of your brainchilds. I mean, one of your brainchildren, I guess I should say. Words. Charcuterie. Make everything into a board.
Make everything into a board, right?
Yeah.
Always, because it's fun and it looks cool. But also, tailgating is fun. Even if you're not tailgating or going to the game.
You're tailgating in your house.
Yeah,
with all
having
your
a
friends.
party,
Yeah.
cheering for the Spartans.
Or the Wolverines.
Whatever you like.
Yeah.
But chili is one of my favorites during the fall because it has everything in it.
Yeah.
It has some beans, it has some meat, it has some vegetables. And there's such an array of toppings that you can add to it.
Yeah.
And that's where this chili charcuterie comes into play.
Chili charcuterie. Well, the good thing about chili too is that you can make it without meat, and you can make a white chili, and you really can play with the chili and then play with the board as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
So talk about a little bit of your inspiration here.
So everyone loves to have some cheese.
Oh yes, gotta have cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's sour cream, there's hot sauce, there's green onions, there's jalapenos, and then there's our crunchy carb options along with whether it be cornbread or these are just little rolls. Finding, the great pairing to slap up the extra goodness of your chili when you're done.
For sure. I mean, I like the Fritos, and you like the scoops. You say the scoops are key, right?
Yeah.
Got to use those. But then you actually have some added vegetables, some avocado.
Yes.
I mean, you can really build chili into a super healthy dish.
Yeah. And if you're having people over, tell everyone to bring their favorite thing. That's always fun. So everyone kind of feels part of the process of adding to your chili charcuterie board. And then also, I mean, look at that, yum.
Yeah. I mean, that chili, this is pretty basic. So I made the chili super basic. I'll put this recipe on the website too.
Yeah.
It is literally as I just went with the regular meat, the beans, tomatoes, sauce.
Perfect.
That's it. You know?
Well, and I think you could add corn. I know people add mushrooms or even leafy greens. I mean, you could get wild. But knowing that you have this, and this will sustain the party, right? Slow cooker always helps keep it warm, on a fall day.
Yeah.
It's a really fun way to cheer for your favorite team, even if it's the wrong team.
Or the right team. And the other good thing too is if you do it in a slow cooker, maybe you have somebody else bring a different kind of chili. Like everyone brings a chili or a soup or something like that. You really can just expand your options however you want.
Get creative. I love to say use whatever we talk about or a recipe as inspiration and then run away with it.
There you go.
Let me know what you do. I want to see.
Run away and score some touchdowns. Go blue.
Go green.
Yeah. We'll put this stuff on our website. A big thank you to the Mary Free Bed YMCA for letting us use this space. And we'll see you next week.